Welcome to Goldwater Lake, a stunning natural gem in the heart of Prescott, Arizona. This beautiful lake offers endless opportunities for outdoor recreation and relaxation. One of the most popular activities at Goldwater Lake is fishing. The lake is stocked with rainbow trout, and anglers of all levels will find plenty of opportunities to reel in a catch. For those looking to get out on the water, Goldwater Lake is a perfect lake for kayaking or canoeing. The lake is surrounded by towering pines, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. The area around Goldwater Lake is also home to some great hiking trails. The Goldwater Lake Trail is a 4-mile loop that winds around the lake and offers stunning views of the water and landscape. For a more relaxing experience, Goldwater Lake is a great place to have a picnic and relax in the shade of the trees. There are plenty of picnic tables and grills available, making it easy to spend a day enjoying the great outdoors. Goldwater Lake is also a great place to bring your furry friends. The area is dog-friendly, and there are plenty of trails where you can take your pup for a walk or a ride. Whether you're looking for outdoor adventure or just want to spend a relaxing day in nature, Goldwater Lake is something for everyone. Come explore this beautiful lake and discover the natural beauty of Prescott, Arizona.